Hey guys, it's Michael here from BMM Diaries. Just gonna do a quick little video on what's on my iPad. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, continue watching our videos. We appreciate your watching, and yeah, so give me 1 second so I can flip the camera and set up, and we'll be right there. Okay guys, so I'm going to be kind of handheld here, so sorry for the shakiness, but so this is my iPad. It's the iPad Air, I believe 2, not sure exactly, I forget. I just have the standard yellow case because I love, my favorite color is yellow. It's the gold version. I do have a small crack here. Don't ask me how this happened, because I do not know. But anyways, let's get jumped into the iPad. So here's the home screen. This background photo is from Lake George. This is where we go for the summertime. Hey, that's me. It has the touch button, so finger ID. Okay. So on the home page, I don't have anything grouped or anything, but I have the standard FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, contacts, clock, maps, smart home thing, the Apple TV, notes, reminders, news, stocks, iTunes Store and Apple Store settings, and voice memos. At the bottom here, we have messages, Safari, mail, iTunes, the music, I don't even know, the whatever this is, the application stuff, YouTube, Google, and Chrome are the last 3 things I used. So yeah, and then this background on the iPad screen is from when me and Brittany went to Florida a couple of years ago. This was from our hotel room. Next. Oh, side note. On my iPad, I literally, it's all pretty much games and some apps, but anyway. On the top here, we have tips, photo booths, shortcuts, find my iPhone, numbers, iMovie, Keynote, Instatrack. I have so many different the Instagram trackers. I have a better one on my iPhone. So, and if you want to see what's on my iPhone, make sure to hit the like button so you can see what's on my iPhone. It might be a long video. I have so many apps on there. Okay, so Instagram, YouTube, weather, Apple Store, Mario Run, which I don't use that much anymore when it first came out. Hot Wheels, sometimes I use. Apple Support, 8-Ball Pool, Bottle Flip. Oh my god, that game, it drives me insane. Football Strike, I use a lot of money to get coins and stuff. That's fun. Tennis Clash, I have on my iPhone. That game is super addicting. Sky Glider 3D, it's alright. And then the 2 lights here that I do have smart lighting in my room, so but I use it more on my iPhone. But those are fun to play around with. Zoom, McDonald's app. I don't know why I have that over there, but anyway. Wacky Run, Rubber Cut, Objective Hunt, Jump, Dunk 3D. Mini Football, just downloaded that. Trivia Cars, just downloaded that. Those are fun. Facebook app and Messenger. Game of Life. Calculator, because the old iPads don't have calculators, I don't think. Hit Tennis 3 was my favorite tennis game prior to Tennis Clash. Google Chrome, Stair run, shortcut run, stretch guy, ladder race, glow hockey. This is an old game that used to be on my iPad. Not iPad. iPod Touch back like when I was younger, and I'm surprised I could still like have it downloaded, so that's good. Stacky Dash, Magic Finder, Finger 3D, Fat Pusher. I have the Tasty app. I have this race app I don't even play anymore. I have these Jeep apps, my Jeep, Badge of Honor, and my Mopar, but I really don't use them on here. I have them on my iPhone, like I said. This one is alright. I don't really play it that much. Head football, that's fun. It's pretty much like a jumbo head, and you have to hit in the goal using your head. Quaker feed, have it on my phone. Disney app, World app, and shop, what's it called? Also on my iPhone, but I have them here. Giphy, don't use that much anymore. Score Hero, used to play that a lot. Splashy, WebMD to go look for, self-diagnose yourself. Just kidding, not really. Whole.io, WebMD, another thing. Oh, the allergy, but don't really use that much. Xheimer, Bumper.io, Ball Blast, Tariba. I actually won two or three items from there, but you have to pay, which I don't like. Bounce Forever, All Trails, another Jeep app, or I don't know if it just shows you the trails around your area. Next page, Jump Up Man, Newsbreak, I don't really use that. HQ, I don't really use that anymore. My Boo, neither that. Harry Potter, used to be obsessed with that, but I spent too much money on it, getting like coins or energy or something, so I had to stop playing that. Mini Golf King, same thing, don't really play that too much. Light Stream, don't really play that. MMX Racing, just started playing that again. For some reason, this game, the Ping.io, doesn't want to move on the iPad, so I'm gonna probably have to delete that game. Noodle, boring. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Love playing that game for fun. And I have the New York State Thruway app just for fun. Don't really use it on here. And last page. Spinner.io, Pen Run, Golf Battle, Hide.io, Tornado.io. Do you see a theme? And then I have the Philips Hue app, like I said before. I have smart lighting in my room, so I use that app. Flippy Race, used to play that a couple years ago, and also used money to buy coins and stuff. Hue Xmas, Hue Disco, oh my god, those are very key to have if you have smart lighting. It themes the room very well. Balls Race, Football, and Golf Clash. And that's kind of what's on my iPhone. Nothing too crazy. It's mainly I use it for games, but yeah. It's the iPad Air, like I said. I've had it for a while. I like it. I just started using it again. So guys, thank you for watching what's on my iPad. Stay tuned for some more videos that we're going to have. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, all the things. We appreciate you guys very much. Please subscribe. It helps us grow the channel. Like I said, we're doing this for fun at the moment. So yeah. Stay tuned because there is going to be a story time video from me because I currently lost my job last month, so I want to give a little story time on that. What we got for Christmas. Look out for that video. Check out our other videos that we have, our Disney playlist, all those videos. But yeah, keep updated with us. I will link any information down below if I need to, but yeah, see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.